Hello everyone, Janene here from Passion Infused Life, and I'm coming to talk to you about direct sales and perhaps get you to think about things a little bit differently. I, for one, was so anti-direct sales, and I know the reason that I felt that way is because I've been a professional salesperson working for software and or the medical world for my career. And for me to go to work and me then to go into someone else's place of work, they just expected me to come in to offer them, excuse me, a service or a product that solved a problem that they had at their workplace. However, as I really got to thinking about why does direct sales, why can it feel so icky? And I think it's because we're at home, we are living our daily lives. A lot of times we are approached by someone that we know, or maybe we did know, and maybe that really kind of feels especially weird. I know that was for me kind of one of my experiences, that someone that I knew like in elementary school, all of a sudden friend requests me and starts saying, "Hey girl, can I get you X, Y, and Z? I have some and I can drive over," whatever. It just didn't feel like super genuine and authentic, which are two words that I would hope that everyone, when they look at me and when they see what I'm doing, that authentic and genuine is always in there. So I think that was really my beef with direct sales. It was just kind of my experience with it, and it just didn't feel very good. And so fast forward, Zach and I and the girls decide to start a lifestyle vlog about our family, and it's kind of morphed and evolved into a lot of what we're putting into and onto our bodies and into our minds. And through that, I started using some products for our personal care, which solved some issues that we were having with food sensitivities and clearly some other environmental sensitivities that were going on in our house. And so I was so excited about these things, these products, that I wanted to share them with you all. And so I went ahead and did that. And for me, the thing that I love about sales in my work, my corporate job, is that I'm solving a problem and I'm educating. If you don't have the problem or a problem that I can help you solve with X, Y, or Z, then that's cool. I'm walking away, I'm doing my thing, and you're doing yours. But it's not about selling something, right? I just don't view it that way. And I hope you all don't either. But that is not the way that I have felt when I've been approached by some other direct sales organizations. And so I was super hesitant to tie my name to a direct sales organization because I never wanted to be that person. I never wanted to come across that way. And I just got to thinking, when did kind of that mindset for me shift? And it was truly when I just looked at it more in a consultative way, in a way that I have something, it works so incredibly well for me. I feel compelled to share that, and inadvertently through that, I will actually benefit because I'm going to get some free products. I'm going to then be able to give back, which is another thing that is super important to me. Not only am I able to give back monetarily with product, but I'm also able to give back by getting involved in community events, by doing the education and saving my skin, bless you, saving my skin and my family's and my friends. And so the education is so critical and important for me. So I hope that this kind of helps maybe look at direct sales from a different perspective. If you are in direct sales, I hope that maybe this helps you maybe take a different approach to how you're going about educating and sharing your products and your service with your community, because no one wants to feel sold to. That is not a good feeling. Rather, it's about, this is the problem I have, this is the solution that I found, and therefore, here you go. Do you want X, Y, or Z? So, because frankly, guys, if we really, really think about it, we are being sold to every single day. Whether it's the doctor's office that we're in that wants us to keep coming in, perhaps there's a procedure that our mom or dad is having next month. That is a billable service. That surgery is a billable service. Shoot, maybe it's the mayo that you're eating, that you're getting off the shelf, that maybe they have paid a contract worker to stand there and to sample out their product. In this case, this example was mayo, okay? So we are being sold to wherever we are. It just depends on how that feels and if it's something that you truly need. So I would encourage you to kind of look at the way that people are kind of approaching you, or looking at the way that you're approaching others if you yourself are in direct sales, and maybe giving some of the benefit of the doubt. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some consultants that are not super educated and it is all about the money for them. I personally can say that is not why I've gotten involved in this case with Beautycounter. However, it is a perk. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to Passion Infused Life, and we'd love to hear from you. So have a wonderful day. Thank you.